Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Alan Gadgets. I've done a tutorial on how to register your drone in Japan some time ago, and today I'll do one of the two follow-up video on that. This part 1 will be regarding solely on the new product from DJI. Part 2 will be catering to FPV drone that doesn't have a remote ID, which you will need to get a third-party remote ID to be registered in Japan. If you haven't watched the full tutorial on how to register your drone in Japan, and if you're interested in the FPV portion of this second follow-up, I'll leave the link in the corners and also in the description below. So in this video, I'll only be touching on the latest new release from DJI, namely the Neo 2, Mavic 4 and the Mini 5. The Japan Aviation website for registration has been updated since my last video on how to register your drone with them, and have users giving me feedback that they couldn't find Neo 2 under their list. And some of the viewers were kind enough to share with me with their feedbacks and solutions on how to register your Neo 2 in Japan. Okay, quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown and it's helping you out, go ahead and smash the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want to see more drones, camera and gadget content just like this, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. I also post extra clips, behind the scenes shots and some extra updates on Instagram, so do make sure you follow me there as well. Alright, let's jump right back in. As I mentioned, the full tutorial on how to get to this stage will be only explained in my past tutorial video. You can find the link. So at this point, when you reach the drone detail page and look under the UA manufacturer list, before the update to this list, there used to be only one option of DJI where you can find all the older release up to Mavic 3, Mini 4 and the first Neo. They have now added more DJI options, but what we're going to focus now is the DJI Japan KK, which you will find the latest model like Mini 5 and Neo 2. And from here, like you normally would, select yes, built in for the remote ID. And that's about it. That's the only thing you need to do if you are registering new drones from DJI. Has the most people confused when they're trying to register for it, because they choose the first option, DJI, which is the old option from my last video, because that was the only option back then. So that's all. You can now register your new drones with Japan in this manner. And if you are still unclear of how to get to this stage, for the full tutorial, again, link in the above or in the description below. As I mentioned, this is only one of the two follow-up that I have for registering your drone in Japan. The second part will be catered to custom FPV, where you need a third-party remote ID to be installed on the drone before your registration, and that will be coming up next. If you're interested in that video or the video about camera, drones and gadgets, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for future notification, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!